Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to collect the seed of gladiolus. Gladiolus are the beautiful mic-shaped and trumpet-shaped flowers and lots of flowers. These spikes comes from the ground and these are grown from the corms. These are look like some onion bulb like corms that will grow around October to November month, and these flowers from December to up to the mid of the March. So excellent flower for gladiolus, and you just can see these I am macerating here, and just these are the seeds of gladiolus. Just flat plate like structure and just brownish in color. These are the seeds of gladiolus. Just in the middle side, these are oval, and these are the seeds. This is the seeds of gladiolus. You can see these are, and lots of seeds you can get from this. And you have to germinate, keep it, dried it for 2 days under sun, and keep it in zipper packet in freezer for 4 degrees centigrade. And after that, you just this is the seeds of gladiolus, and store it. And October month you can again germinate when temperature is around 15 degrees centigrade. You can again germinate these seeds from new varieties of gladiolus. And just have a look, a few days back I have collected grown all this from the this is just I am showing the seeds. You can get lots of seeds from here. These are the seeds. I can show you. This is the seed from here. Just leaf like, plate like leaves. So these are the seeds. Just collect it, dry it, and keep it in zipper pack. And welcome back friends. Just we have collected this flat type, plate type of seeds, and these are the seeds of gladiolus. So now I am putting it in my zipper pack. Just fill up the zipper packet from here. They are very light and very thin and dry. So these are the seeds of gladiolus, and you can get varieties of colors in gladiolus. Beautiful. So just push it here and now I will be keeping in the freezer. So you can keep it here or here also. You can keep it here, and that will be fine. And next October you take it out when temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees. You can grow these seeds. 2 to 3 things you just keep in mind, that if you are growing from the seeds, just sow the seed around October, November month in Indian condition, Indian subcontinent, and this will grow. Beautiful seedlings will grow. But the worst part is that if you grow from the seeds, so it will take at least 2 to 3 years to grow flowers, to get flowers from them. And the best part is that if you grow from the seeds, you can get lots of variation in colors. Many of the growers grow there from seeds. But I advise you to grow with the corms or the bulbs of the gladiolus. You just purchase from the gladiolus bulbs from the any garden shop, and just sow in the soil media that I have shown you in the earlier video, and you can get within 2 to 3 months you can get all the flowers. So this is the process. Now I am going to store all these seeds, gladiolus seeds. Just follow the procedure and you can grow from the seeds. This is the nice seeds, dried seeds, and you can grow lots of all these seeds. So friends, hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you at all have enjoyed the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you very new to the channel, if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you lots and lots of video on different aspects of gardening and flowering seeds, non-flowering seeds, foliage seeds and all. And thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.